Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to show you today why am I so bullish about Bitcoin in the next few weeks. Stay with me, let's check it out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. We are going to start with Bitcoin on daily time frame. As you can see on the chart, we still have got a higher high and a higher low for Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and the Bitcoin is still on the uptrend for the long term. I'm going to bring the MA, 20 MA and 50 MA. The 21 is going to be the blue line we have got in here, and the yellow one, it is the 50 MA we have got at the moment, about a $41,000 area. I told you in the video 2 days ago, I told you if Bitcoin cannot close the daily candles above the 20 MA on the daily time frame, is going to be bearish for me. But what we've seen actually in the past few days, Bitcoin tried to close the daily candles above the 20 MA, but last night what happened, actually Bitcoin closed the daily candle far away below the 20 MA. And the next possible target for Bitcoin is going to be around the 50 MA, which is about the $41,000 area. I'm going to show you a few charts. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to fall actually above the $41,000 area. If that one happened, this is going to be a really massive and huge support area for Bitcoin, and too many people are expecting that one to buy Bitcoin about that area. I'm going to move to this 4-hour time frame, and let me just show you something. What do we have in here? We have got the support area, support zone, about the $44,000 area for Bitcoin at the moment. But if we go on the Fibonacci extension from the top to the bottom to the second top, we have got about the $52,000. The 61% of the Fibonacci extension actually is going to be about the $43,700 area, and the 78% of the Fibonacci extension we have got is going to be around the $41,500 area. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to go down to about the $41,000 area. We have got the 50 MA about this area as well. As you can see, the 78% of the Fibonacci extension and the 50 moving average on the daily time frame is supporting Bitcoin at that area, and exactly is going to be the previous top we had in January. Actually, the about the $42,000 to $41,000 area, that's going to be a huge support for Bitcoin if Bitcoin fall down away actually to that area. I'm going to switch the chart to 4-hour time frame. Then what do we have? We have got the 61% about the $43,700 area, and we have got the 78% for the Fibonacci extension about the $41,500 area. I'm going to another chart I have got in here. I'm expecting Bitcoin actually, because as do we have a support and resistance zone area about the $44,000. I'm expecting Bitcoin to bounce from here, and after a few days make a huge move to the upside in March. Actually, everyone expecting Bitcoin to be bearish in March, but I'm not expecting that one, because as the chart is showing me, Bitcoin is going to be really bullish for the next few weeks. I'm going to switch to another chart I have got in here. Is nothing showing me this chart, but this one I have got in here. I've been talking about this purple line for a few times. I told you this purple line is going to be a really good support and resistance line, and as you can see in the past was working as a support, and in when the price was below this one was working really good as a resistance, was working as a support again. Now is going to be work as a resistance. If Bitcoin make a run to the upside, it might going to work as a really good resistance as well again actually, and after that make a dump to Bitcoin. After the maybe second or third time Bitcoin trying to break the upside, you're gonna let it go. I'm going to switch to another chart I have got in here. Let me just check it out. Okay, let me just move back on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to show you what I'm not expecting Bitcoin to break below to about $42,000 or $41,000 area, because what do we have in here? As we can see on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have in here? As you can see on the chart, we have got just move this one for now. We have got the bullish divergence on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame actually. As the price of Bitcoin making lower low, the RSI on the 4-hour time frame is making higher low, and it is going to be super bullish for Bitcoin, at least for short term. Because of that, I'm not expecting Bitcoin to fall actually down to about the $42,000 or $43,000 area. Because of that, I'm expecting Bitcoin to make bounce actually after $44,000 area or $45,000 area, make a bounce to the upside to about a 48 again, and after that make another dump and make a look like a double bottom to this area, and after that Bitcoin make a huge rally to the upside for the next few weeks. And I think as everybody expecting Bitcoin to actually drop to the previous top we have got in here about the $42,000 area, and buy or accumulate more Bitcoin to after that Bitcoin make a rally to the upside, I think Bitcoin is going to leave all of them behind, and Bitcoin is going to make a rally from $45,000 or $46,000 area to the upside, because everyone expecting Bitcoin to drop to about the $42,000 or $41,000 area. I think that's not going to happen, and Bitcoin is going to bounce about the $45,000 or $46,000 area and make a huge run to the upside. And if I change my chart to another chart I have got in here, let me just go on the daily time frame. As you can see, as I told you, on the 4-hour time frame, we have got the bullish divergence on the RSI. We have got the bullish divergence. As you can see, let me just change the color for this one to about a green, and this one to green as well. We have got a higher low on the what is that, the price of Bitcoin, and we have got the lower low on the RSI. Is going to be a bullish hidden divergence for Bitcoin, and in the next few days and weeks Bitcoin is going to be really bullish. Maybe we are going to see another dump to another to about the $43,000 or $42,000 area. I'm not expecting that one, but maybe we are going to see that one, and that's going to make RSI so falling down to about maybe around the 40 or 45, when the RSI is going to about the 40 or 45, and after that this bullish hidden divergence is going to be so obvious for us, and after that Bitcoin make a huge rally to the upside. Still Bitcoin on the long term is still so bullish. And let me just go on the other chart I have got in here for you. If I go on this chart I have got on the weekly time frame, this is so obvious for Bitcoin in the past, actually in the previous bull run we had in 2016 and 17. Anytime Bitcoin broke out of the previous high, actually came back to test the previous high. As you can see, the horizontal lines in green. And what do we have in here? Anytime Bitcoin broke above the previous high we had, back test the previous high, broke above that one, back tested, broke above, and not happen in this one. Maybe we are not going to see Bitcoin at the moment going to back to $42,000, because it's not going to happen every time we have got. But most of the time actually when Bitcoin broke the previous high we have, as you can see the previous high was about this area, Bitcoin back tested, and as you can see the previous high we had about this area, Bitcoin back tested, And it is so obvious for Bitcoin to do that one, the previous high about this area Bitcoin backtested. It is so obvious for Bitcoin to do that one, and it's just like a normal and healthy correction for the bull run we have got. We are still too early for that one. We are going to see a huge prices for Bitcoin in the next few weeks and months. Before I switch to Ethereum chart, actually, if you can do me a favor, press the like button and comment if you have got any question or any coin you want. Actually, we are checking out for you, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new to our channel as well. Okay, we are going to check Ethereum charts I have got in here. I've got the I think 3 or 4 Ethereum charts here to show you what do we have in here at the moment. Ethereum is at the $1,400 for Ethereum actually is going to be a good support, and I'm not expecting Ethereum to fall down below that one. But if that one happen, maybe with a big shadow on the daily time frame, I'm expecting the $1,300 area or $1,250 dollars area for Ethereum going to work as a really good support in the next few days. And after that, I'm still so bullish on Ethereum as well. I'm going to show you on the other chart I have got. Let me just show you on the daily time frame what do I have on Ethereum. I don't know what this, I'm on log, sorry about that one, and I was wondering what this chart looks like that. Yeah, it's going to be this one. Yeah, the support area is going to be around the $1,250 to $1,300 area. This one is going to be around the $1,400 area. As you can see on this chart, what do I have? If we go with the Fibonacci extension from the bottom to the high to the bottom, we have got in here, what do we have actually? We have got the 2338, and we have got the 5061, and we have got the 78% of the Fibonacci extension. And it's going to be a really good area for us, 2250 for Ethereum, because what do we see in here? We have got the ascending broadening wedge with these two the green color. Actually, this is going to be a resistance for Ethereum, and this one is going to be a support for Ethereum. Because of that, I told you I'm not expecting Ethereum to fall down to about the $1,300 area. If that one happen for Ethereum, is going to be a really fast shadow for Ethereum, and after that Ethereum is going to back and above this support area, support line we have got in here. And this area, actually, maybe we can adjust this zoom to about this area. Is going to be around the $1,395 to about the $1,430. This area and this support line we have got, they are going to work as a really good support for Ethereum. And after that, I'm expecting very slowly actually Ethereum to bounce to the upside and make a huge run to about a 2250 in the next few weeks. This middle line we have got in white color is going to work as a really good resistance for Ethereum in the next few weeks. It was working as actually a resistance and was working as a support. Now if Ethereum back to test this one, is going to work as a really good resistance for Ethereum as well. I'm going to show you another chart I have got for Ethereum in here. On the daily time frame, we have got a really bullish divergence on Ethereum as well. As you can see, this bottom we have got in here to this bottom we have got. Look at Ethereum, what a bullish divergence on the daily chart frame. That shows us Ethereum is going to blow off, is going to explode to the upside, even past the $2,250 am I expecting for it. That's going to be super bullish for Ethereum in the next few days and weeks, because look at this one. What do we have in here? We have got the super bullish hidden divergence on the daily time frame for Ethereum. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one.